For this next demo, we're going to take a look at MCP, or Model Context Protocol. I really like this picture because it captures what the essence of MCP is. Effectively, it's a way for your LLM to access functionality through the MCP protocol via exposed MCP servers. And what's behind those MCP server endpoints is up to you. This allows you to extend the functionality for your LLM in order to enhance its capabilities. So for this demo, we're going to use CrewAI and a CrewAI MCP adapter, which allows you to take an LLM that's a part of a crew and expose MCP tools and functionality to that particular agent. What's really great about this is you can have a general purpose agent that's not designed specifically to address any single task. And in this particular example here, you can see that we're using an MCP adapter in order to hook our agent up to PubMed Access, which is an online repository of medical publications, journals, and citation. This way, you can provide an agent the functionality of being able to access external information so that it can research any generic topic. And we have a second agent, a part of our crew. Based on the information the first researcher agent finds, our writer agent is going to compose a concise report based on provided research. And just like in our previous demo, our first task is a research task, but we're going to use the PubMed tools via an MCP endpoint in order to collect all of the research that we need in order to compose our medical-based report. Again, the task states that we're going to create 3 coherent paragraphs for a technical blog post. Here we're assembling our crew, which is composed of our researcher and writer agent, and the 2 tasks, which is composed of a research task and the final task to write the blog post. And within our main function here, you can see we have an MCP adapt and our CrewAI adapter, which allows us to expose our MCP endpoint to the agents within our crew. Let's go ahead and give this demo a try. What's really interesting to see here is that you can see our research agent invoking the PubMed tools in order to research a particular topic within the PubMed repository. Here you can see HTTP GET requests in order to access NIH documentation and studies. Here you can see the research agent requires even more research. So again, it's going out and doing an HTTP GET for a couple of NIH articles. After all that information is obtained, you can see that our research agent is able to complete its task based on the information available. And our writer agent is able to take the composed research and formulate a final blog post, which you can see right here. I hope you enjoy the demo.